Hi guys and welcome back to Hussein Crypto Channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the MediESIM. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment, and always do your own research because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you travel often or you are planning a trip soon, you probably know how annoying it can be to deal with SIM cards, roaming fees, and slow airport Wi-Fi. So today I'll show you how to stay connected anywhere in the world using MediESIM, guys. Okay, a super easy digital SIM solution that takes less than 1 minute to set up, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, before using Med, I used to hunt for SIM cards after landing in an airport, guys. So pay expensive roaming fees, swap physical SIM cards, and worry about losing my main one. But with an eSIM, everything is digital, guys. So no more swapping cards, no more searching for stories, no more waiting in line. If you never used an eSIM before, it's basically a virtual SIM that lives inside your phone and no physical card. So just install, activate, and then you're online, guys. So why MediESIM for me, it really comes down. So what's the benefits, guys, of using MediESIM, guys? Okay, so why MediESIM for me, it really comes down to flexibility and price. They offer single country, regional, and global plans, which is perfect with yours visiting just one country or backpacking across 10. Plan starts from around 2 USD, and new user can get about 20% off. Plus, if you travel with friends, you can save up to 50% with shared purchases, which makes it very cost effective, guys. Now on the screen, you are seeing some different pricing depend on your region, guys. So easy to search here. Enter destination to browse roaming plans, guys. They have Iraq, Canada, Bahrain, Brazil, different pricing, guys. Now you are seeing the price of United States, Australia, United Arabs, Chad, and different countries, guys, that have or supported this eSIM, guys. So let me show you how simple it's to get started, guys. Number one, go to mediec.cc, guys, and choose your destination, country, or region. Select data plan that fits your trip, and check out, scan the QR code, and install the eSIM. Super easy, guys. So that's it. The whole setup takes about 1 minute, guys. And let me remind you, guys, this application works in 170 plus countries and regions, including US, Europe, Japan, Thailand, Singapore, and many more. It's also compatible with eSIM, supported iPhones and Android devices, guys. You see here that you get ready for your trip with a Med. Get it on Google Play, guys, App Store, and also the Huawei app gallery, guys. It has a 4.7 rating on the application, guys. Choose a plan, install and activate, and then just connect 4G and 5G, guys. That's it. So guys, this is perfect for travelers and backpackers like me, so business trips and cross-border workers, or anyone who wants internet access the moment they land. Guys, you're seeing one of the promotion right now. Enjoy an instant 20% discount on your first purchase. 20% off. Sign up for MediESIM now to claim your exclusive discount. To sign up, just click the link on my description down below. Sign in here, very easy, guys. Sign up, choose your nickname, email, password, invitational code on the link on my description down below, guys. Get verification code and sign up as easily as that, guys. Okay? So if you're looking for a travel-friendly, guys, affordable and super easy internet solution, MediESIM is definitely worth checking out, guys. And also they have an invite friends here with a commission, guys. Invite new user and earn rewards. Share the Med app with friends. When they make a purchase, you receive a reward. Invitation rules: invite one friend 10%, two will have 20%, 3 30%, and invite 4 friends, you will have 50% off coupon, guys. Okay, I think that's all about this MediESIM, guys. I leave the link on my description down below. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have more questions. So again, guys, this is Crypto Hussein. Bye bye.